Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to control ChatGPT thinking speed. Let's say you want to research something in this line. I say ChatGPT write a 100-word essay on AI. Normally this is what you would do. So I'll click on send. You see how fast it is to give me response. It was fast, but you can control ChatGPT's thinking. Now, how do you do that? I'm going to put in what I need ChatGPT to do, the same test I have up here. Now come down here where you see the plus sign and click on it. Now you would see thinking, click on thinking. Now what happens here is ChatGPT is going to take longer to think and give you better response. Now let's click on the send. You can see right now it's thinking and it's going to give you better response. Now, drop me a comment in the comment section if this video helped you. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Like the video and share it to people who would benefit from this video. You can see over here that ChatGPT is still thinking. Let's wait and see the response it gives us at the end of the day compared to when it gave us a fast response. All right, so the thought for a minute and 6 seconds. All right, and it's a bit longer. So I'm just going to read the first sentences and compare. Now, the first sentence here is AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines designed to think, learn, and problem solve. Now, let's go to the next response. It says AI equips machines with capability once unique to humans. Learning, reasoning, perception, and natural language understanding. Okay, I think this one is more understandable than the first response in terms of the first sentence. So if you further read, let's see what it says. By analyzing vast data sets and iterating through algorithms, AI streamlines workflows, augments creativity, and accelerates discovery in machine education, science, and business. Let's see what it says here. It powers technologies such as voice assistants, autonomous vehicles, medical diagnosis. All right. So at the end of the day, I think you can actually combine the two, especially if you're writing an AC. You pick a few things that you like in the first sentence when it's in the speed mode, and you choose when it's in the thinking mode. In fast mode, ChatGPT gives you snappy to the point answers. Now, in the thinking mode, it pauses longer but adds more reasoning and accuracy. What do you prefer, speed or thinking mode? Drop your comment in the comment section below. If the video helped you, again, click the like button, subscribe, drop in the comment section what video you would like me to produce or you would like to see in future, and I'll add that to list of videos that I will make in future. Thank you for watching. Click the next video that appears and see how you can save your ChatGPT conversations as a PDF. I'll see you in the next video.